it so. You got a hold on me. I remember the sound of us being loud, so loud, so loud. Just wonder where you're walking and talking, thinking, are you the same? Wonder how you're doing and moving through the crowds every day. And all I wanna know, are you thinking about me? I just gotta know. I just gotta know. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb, doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So dumb, I wish I could get you out of my head.
Hey my sweet friends, and welcome back to Chellesglamhome. Well, today I'm excited to be participating in the You Inspire Me collaboration. This is the collab that I'm co-hosting with my sweet friend CHELOMIE over at the Glamorous penny pincher. Now, the rules were to pick somebody that you are truly inspired by on YouTube. And considering our beautiful friend CHELOMIE was the creator of this wonderful collaboration, I thought it only fitting that I dedicate this video to her. A few weeks ago, she uploaded this beautiful DIY Glam perfume bottle, and I decided that I'd recreate it, dedicated to my sweet friend. I started by first of all shopping my own home and collecting a few things similar to what CHELOMIE used in her DIY. Now, I had this little round box that I'd used for a flower box, and it was already covered in marble contact paper, but I decided that I'd keep the marble contact paper as we're going to cover it. I also had this round mirror from the dollar store, which coincidentally happened to fit the box perfectly. I also had a thrifted napkin ring, and then I had this little bowl, guys. Now, it's a little different to what CHELOMIE used, but what I did is I took it outside and spray painted it silver to give a similar result. I also had this dollar store bling wrap, and I'm using a slightly different one to what CHELOMIE used around her box, but it's very, very similar. Starting with the box first of all, I'm going to take that bling wrap and I'm going to hot glue it around the entire box. I'm going to continue on until the entire box is covered. Now, off camera, I cut some smaller strips just to tidy up the top there. Now, CHELOMIE also did the back of the box, guys, but I chose not to do this just purely because I was frightened I could run out of the bling wrap. I then took my hot glue gun and I run a bead of glue all the way around the top of the box, and then we're going to hot glue our mirror to the top. Now, guys, I would recommend some E6000 here as well. I didn't have that on hand, but if you wanted to make your project just that lot more secure, I would recommend that. But for the purpose of this video, I used hot glue. And it actually held up really, really well. So you can see here I'm placing the mirror on top, and I gave it a good 20 minutes while I waited for it to dry. Now, CHELOMIE also added around the mirror some dollar store self-adhesive rhinestones. So what I did is I went round the entire mirror. All complete, I then took that little bowl that I spray painted silver. Now this is going to be the top of our perfume bottle, guys. And what CHELOMIE did in her video was she took some dollar store rhinestones again. And what I'm going to do here is just place 4 strips in each of the 4 corners.
Are only a shot away from me to be my everything.
Then taking the silver napkin ring, I took those self-adhesive rhinestones and placed them around the centre. I then took this gorgeous brooch. Now CHELOMIE put a beautiful brooch into the centre of the bottle. So I hot glued that into the centre of the mirror. I then took some more of those self-adhesive rhinestones and CHELOMIE put a nice circle of them around the brooch. I then took the napkin ring and the bowl and I hot glued them together. I then hot glued them to the top of the bottle. I was so excited doing this, guys. I love how it came and I couldn't wait to style it. And off camera, I cleaned the fingerprints of the mirror and I went over and styled it in the way CHELOMIE did. Now here is a clip of CHELOMIE's beautiful perfume bottle. I'm so inspired by this wonderful lady who I'm so blessed to call a friend. Guys, the Glamorous penny pincher is CHELOMIE and she has the most amazing channel. Please head on over, I'll leave a link to her channel down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I'm truly inspired by my beautiful friend. So now here is my version of CHELOMIE's beautiful perfume bottle. Guys, I had so much fun recreating this. I had CHELOMIE on my mind all the time. I actually loved listening to her video, giving me step-by-step instructions on how to pull it all together. I tried to use things that were as close as possible to her original DIY. I didn't have the same flowers as CHELOMIE, but I stuck to the beautiful red theme, and I think it goes so perfectly with Glam mirrored furniture. I used similar topiary balls as well as some Glam jewels in the top of the bottle. And CHELOMIE herself said that it also represented a beautiful engagement ring, and I feel that you could pull this off as well. So just a reminder, here is a clip from CHELOMIE's original video. I'm going to leave a link to that video down below and I'd love for you to go and check it out and compare how Chelles tried to recreate and do a very similar DIY to the woman that I'm truly inspired by.
I'm in love with all your lights and your colors. I'm in love with all your nights. But you've kept me far away from my focus, and to my heart I cannot lie.
Guys, is there someone on YouTube that you're truly inspired by? I chose my sweet friend CHELOMIE. From the moment that I started YouTube, this beautiful lady has encouraged and supported me and always believed in my hopes and dreams. And whenever I watch one of her videos, she raises you up, she makes you feel wonderful, and she is the most talented DIYer. So I definitely recommend you go and check her out.
Dreams of green and filled with bliss. Life is so much more than this. So where do you go when nothing's like home?
for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the Inspire Me collaboration. I'll leave a link to the playlist down below so you can see the other participants who have been inspired by talented YouTubers. A big thank you has to go to my sweet friend Chelomie for reaching out to me and asking me to be a part of co-hosting this fabulous collaboration. I was so honoured to be a part of this wonderful collaboration, purely because it was something that I truly believed in. We all deserve the limelight, guys. We all deserve to raise each other up. And this collaboration was a perfect opportunity to shine the light on somebody that you are truly inspired by. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, as well as my sweet friend Chelomie over at the Glamorous Penny Pincher. I'll leave a link to her channel down below. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.